Lately I've been seeing this cool 3D shell design pop up on Instagram, and I really wanted to give it a try. So in this video, I'll be showing you the method I use to create these designs. I'll be using a fake nail for convenience, and because I think the shape of the nail plays a big part in the overall appearance of the seashell. If I were doing this on my real nail, I'd first prep it like you would before applying gel, but since it's fake, I'm skipping straight to the color coat. I'll be using this bubblegum pink shade of gel from Indigo Nails and applying one coat of that or until it's opaque. Then I pop that under my LED lamp for a full 30-second cure. To create the lumpy shell texture, I'll be using the same gel that I went ahead and applied to a palette and a medium-length synthetic hair nail art brush. Load up your brush with a good amount of gel. You'll probably end up needing more than you think, and then just run your brush down the center of your nail, letting the gel string off of the brush onto the nail without actually touching. The first middle line should flare out a little towards the tip and become more narrow towards the cuticle. I found you could kind of naturally achieve this by finishing at the bottom so that the excess gel on the brush pulls up more down there. And if your line isn't super straight, you can take a clean brush with no gel on it and quickly run it along the line to push all that product back into place. But because this is a regular soft gel and not a thicker builder gel, it's going to start to level out much quicker. So to prevent that, I just held my LED light over the line for about 10 seconds to flash cure it so that I don't lose that three-dimensional height. I continued making more lines, following the middle one and keeping a small gap between each line. I also slowly brought the lines up higher around my cuticle as I worked out from the middle. After my first layer of lines were on, I did a full cure just to make sure everything is completely set before doing another layer. Now I'm just going to go over all of the lines again, building them up and trying to straighten them out as well. Remember to let the gel fall off of your brush instead of pressing your brush against the nail to create dimension. If you're having trouble getting your lines straight, here's a trick you can do to get them even. Once your nails are completely cured, go ahead and wipe off the sticky layer with some rubbing alcohol. Now grab a file and put it between the grooves and file the sides of the lines to straighten them up. When you're done, you can give it one more wipe down and then it's time to move on to top coat. Since I'll be using an effect powder next, I first have to apply a no rub top coat. When applying top coat to a textured nail, make sure you really scrub the product into all of the ridges. After that cured, next I'll be using the white pearl powder from Ocean Nail Supply and applying it over the nail with a sponge. I covered the nail with the powder, then I really buffed it into all of the nooks and crannies. I finished off with another layer of the no wipe top coat to lock that pearl powder into place and then cured. You can totally stop there, or you can add a little more fun and add some 3D decor. Here I'm just using some of the top coat to stick on a rhinestone and pearls, and then I cured it to set it. And here's the final look of the pink shell. I also did a traditional white one and a light purple one with some gold shell decor. Let me know down in the comments which one's your favorite. I think mine is the white one because it looks the most realistic. Also, let me know if you liked this type of video where I show you how to do a design on a fake nail rather than my own. And make sure you check out my summer nail art playlist for more beachy designs.